weeds are getting high out there. Holy crap.
Looking good, Jimmy.
Well, hasn't crashed yet. It's got pretty good aileron.
Yeah, this is a updated version of the one I have. Yeah, they made a few changes on this one. Is a little bit bigger motor in this one, and it's on the one I have. It's still my favorite plane of anything I've ever flown.
My biplane's still my favorite. I brought my extra out to it. I brought my Focat out to it.
You still like the bike?
Yeah, the biplane's still the most fun.
Is that because you got the hours invested in building, or just because it's the best flyer?
Oh, you turn 4 times 4 hours built in the Focat.
Oh, really?
She's pretty well trimmed.
I wished I had the patience to model around. Hell, my F-16 up there, the little magnet for the nose cone had come off, and in my haste to get out here this morning, I glued it on with opposite polarity. Now when I put the nose cone on, it shoots it off like a missile. And I checked it twice before I glued it in. I still glued it in backwards.
Yeah.
I am not a modeler. I keep saying that.
Yeah, I just finished installing an oven yesterday. I took out a double oven and then made new shelves where the drawers where the double oven used to be. Put in a new single oven.
Oh.
So I've been doing a lot of cabinet work. A lot of carpentry stuff.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
Yeah, it's hard to do because I have to measure everything like 15 times and write everything down.
Yeah, and if your house is old like mine, there ain't a straight line in the house.
Yeah, mine's old, 70s.
Well, mine's even older than that. It's like 56. And there ain't nothing straight in there.
Well, I got it all done. I want to put a different shelf in over the oven. There's one in there now, but it doesn't go all the way back to the back of the cabinet. The wife is always afraid something will fall behind the shelf. Go behind the microwave, go behind the oven.
Yeah, yeah, valid concern.
Well, it never happened in 50 years, but I'll fix it. I'll pick up a piece of plywood on the way home. That's weird. They said they tried to call me and my phone didn't ring. I don't know. Then they called my wife because they're getting excited. I don't understand why my phone didn't ring.
Maybe you had it in airplane mode. Go fly airplanes.
Well.
Nice little maiden, Jim.
Yeah, I find most big winds up there because on the turns, you'll start coming down, it was going up. So
Oh, yeah.
It's windy up there, yeah. So when I turned into it just right.
So what'd you think of it?
Oh, it's pretty fine, yeah.
Yeah, it's a great plane, man. It's, like I said, I've always been under the thought that if I could only have one plane in my hangar, that'd be the one I'd have.
Yeah. But yeah, I'll bring it out next time. Hopefully I'll fly it first.